everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Roku remote back up to the TV or the device. So what you want to do is just press this back button and this home button at the same time. So if we press this, you're going to see this blinking light indicating it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And then on your TV, after about 5 to 10 seconds, something's going to pop up that says pairing remote. So you can see this blinking. Now on my TV, it says pairing remote. And if it's not working from here, what you want to do is turn off your TV and your Roku device, leave that unplugged, and then go on over to your remote. And what we want to do now is remove the batteries from the back of the remote, just like this, and leave them on out of the device. And then go to your TV and plug back in your TV, and then go back to your remote and put your batteries back in. And we're just going to restart everything. So the batteries are back in. I'll hold down the home button and the back button now, and then it should reconnect and pair now once we do a complete reset of everything. So just try that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.